nga, day.
They will see the vision.
Yung magtutour kami. Tapos kami lang yung taong dalawa.
And you know, people there, they don't want
Wala
me
yung
to
mga
pay.
kasama namin.
They said, you're our guest.
When they see guests from other country, they will be excited.
Yeah, I told them, Shuhada, I told them it's business. It's okay, I pay as long as it's local price.
They don't want because
They don't want, yeah.
because when they see visitors, they will be excited. When you come to my country, never put them for my state. They will too much kind of these people.
Yeah. Everybody inviting me to eat with them. It's nice. I like Pakistan.
The weather, everything.
Ishmosh, right? Sharjah, wow. This is Sharjah. Perpakan, Ras Al Khaimah, Mata, Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, Musanda. And then you are going to make a store in Fujairah, right? Fujairah, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah. So what?
Hi guys! Andito kami sa dulo ng UAE. Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Mascot. Mascot.
Part of our Hatta tour.
Yeah.
We are currently in Passport and this is the
Mascot Museum. Is it?
That's the latest
First. Ito yung first part ng aming tour. Tour na dalawa lang kaming dalawa.
This is our first time, dalawa lang kami.
Dalawa lang kami.
Parang special tayo nangyari. Pasok tayo para naman na
Ayan, pasukin
tingnan natin
namin
kung
yung...
anong meron sa museum ng Mascot.
Yes.
Mascot Museum.
Ito yung kanilang canyon.
What's inside? Anong history ng Mascot?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Paano tayo na-share? O dito tayo magkakaroon ng history niya.
Magbabayad tayo.
Alam mo na ito.
Wala.
Here.
Okay. This is inside a historical museum and Mascot. Yung mga gamit nila nung mga araw. Ito yung dates.
Yung pag-akyat nila,
Yung kanilang lataan.
Ano yun? Pantry ba yan, Day? Pantry.
Oh, dates.
Ito itsura dati na. Ito itsura dati na. Tingnan nyo.
Yung may gawa nila ng ano.
500. From 500 BCE, then 500 CE, 622, 1803, 1905, 1928, 1947,
Planned by the Hajar Mountain.
1940, 52,
Tiny village Mascot, known for its particular land and Mascot is home to members of the Albidwa tribe. Ay pa mga tribe nila, yung parang sa atin Mangyan, yung mga ganun, mga
Planned
tribe.
by Hajar Mountains, the tiny village of Mascot is known for its fertile agricultural land and high-quality marble.
5,000 BC.
Mascot has also long been home to members of the Al-Bidwat tribe. Al-Bidwat tribe. The strategic location of the village brought the Nae into frequent contacts of Mascot. Welcome to ito yung iniigiban nila, no?
Oo.
Wow.
Ay, mga gamit nila nung ano.
May baril sila dati. Troubled past.
Ang baril nila. Oh.
Local tribes pala dito dati were in constant
Yan
conflict
si-
with Umani
yan
tribes
yung
in the region. They
Sheikh
wanted
Rashid bin
control
Hamad,
of the
ruler of
Lady
Osmatic in the
Oman
early
and started to
1950s.
harass caravans using the pass to the Umani
Mga artifacts nila.
The fort they built a Wadi Hatta brought
Storm water, storing water.
Masput. The Masput Tower located on the Bragi Mountains above the village was built to protect the local tribe against bandits.
Sa Museum of Mascot.
1905 by Sheikh Zayed bin Khalifa Al Nahyan.
Ah,
Mascot becomes an enclave of Asman. So, itong Mascot pala is part ng Asman. Ganito guys, so, century plus used for storing gunpowder. Ito yung tribe was the traditional of the Buddha tribe.
it's the Museum of Mascot. Ah. Na-reserve nila yung ano, children activities. Di ba yung ano ng children activities ko?
Mas maganda pumunta ka ng mga museum nila kasi nandun yung history ng isang lugar. So hindi mo na kailangan muna to. Di ba nagtanong tayo ng history ng lugar na to dahil?
Yes.
O nandito lang ang history.
Yung plansya nila nung araw.
First time kayo pumunta ng lugar,
Plansya.
pumunta kayo ng museum nila kasi meron naman sila mga museum para makita niyo ang history ng lugar.
The Museum of Mascot. Check! Yung slippers nila dati, oh.
Ah,
Ah,
ito yung mga damit ng girls, no? Women's
Ah.
activities. Ito man. Wow, pati yung chinelas. Yung chinelas nila.
yung mga inuman nila, oh. Traditional medicine, ah. Traditional medicine.
Ito yung mga damit ng farm worker, no?
Oh. The old school in Masput.
Ito yung niluluto
Ayan.
ng food.
Paano sila maggamot?
Kasi mga activities nila before. Ito yung dentist nila. Ito yung traditional na paggagamot noon dito sa Mascot.
Discover the hazard.
Traditional na
Discover the hazard mountains.
clinic in Mascot.
Different stone. Watch.
The white mountain of this mountains are all developed for Yazra with a leather
See this? Yan silang agila. Yan silang falcon.
Nakaka-surprise kayo dahil
Falcon.
parang ang ganda pakinggan ng
Desert har.
pero pag dati siguro pag yung mga ganitong history or nung nandun ka sa time na mga ganito
Fox.
parang pero ngayon parang nakakatuwa siya. This local farmers irrigate Masco.
Ito, videohan ko lang ng kanito. Mascot. I'm going there, taking U-turn, and I will park the car here, okay?
Okay.
So you can go take a picture.
Let's go girl. Wow, it's raining.
Aha. Belpure.
Welcome to Hata Dam. Gay, may mga kainan din dito. Gay, may mga Pilipino din ang nagtatrabaho dito.
Ah. Stones.
Ay, ikot tayo doon. Wow. Look, oh. Ayun yun yung sabi ko sa inyo na ano. May picture. Pwede ba umikot doon?
Yata.
Sige, ikot tayo. Ikot ako. Tayo doon.
This is the kayak of Hata.
The feeling really is very good. Ito pala yung mga activities na pwede nyo gawin dito sa here in Hata. Dahil punta tayo doon. Dahil
Ah.
doon ba pinunta natin yung may museum, no?
Oo.
Girl, picture mo pala ako dyan.
Mamaya paglabas.
Paglabas natin.
Ah. Come. It's the Heritage Village.
Pupunta muna tayo dito.
We are here. From here.
Mga friendship and visit Hata. Marami tayong mapupunta dito. Heritage Village is free. Free to explore. Dito sa Heritage Village, makikita mo yung mga pinakaunang mga ilang pamumuhay, yung bahay.
This is one lake of Hata.
Yun lang pala yung
Hata,
Swan
Hata.
Lake. Pangit naman ang
Pero nakakatawa yung ilog nila. Andun. Andun ang swan.
swimming. Picture naman ako dali dito.
This is Hata Dam.
Okay, sa mga pupunta naman dito, ang bawal naman. Bawal mag-swimming, latering, camping, cutting of trees and plants, bawal feeding birds, fish, bawal. Entry of motorcycles, bawal. Vehicles, bawal. Hunting wildlife, bawal. Fishing, bawal. Barbecue, car, bawal.
Hata Dam.
Dam kasi iwan.
This is Hata Dam. This is Hata Dam.
Actually, hindi naman ako takot kasi marunong
And we
ako
here in Hata Dam.
lumakad.
Yes.
Wala ako din papunta doon.
Yeah.
Inalaw kami na pumasok. First time ko tayo
Kinakabagan ako.
talaga.
Naninigas yung tiyan ko.
Wala pa namang CR dito.
Hindi ako natatay, pero natatay talaga. Kita doon. Nakikinig doon.
Akabag yung parang naninigas yung tiyan.
Oo, tapos mahay dugtog yung lumalagudog.
Bitis dito.
Archery. Hata Aerial Adventure Park.
Assalamualaikum.